How not to eat the red dead meat. How not to eat too sweet. Uh-huh. How to do not eat the red dead meat. Not to blow that shot nor cheat. Oh, yeah. Now exercise so wise. Try this on for size. Do not eat the white bread. Eat whole so wheat instead. Keep this love beating your love. Hey, how not to eat the red dead meat. How not to eat too sweet. Now, how to eat to be a super athlete. How to eat to be a super athlete. Whoa, funky, funky beat to be a super athlete. Now, how to eat to be a super athlete.
How not to eat the red dead meat. How not to eat too sweet. How not to eat the red dead meat. How not to eat too sweet.
There's a natural way you should eat. Be a super athlete. Energy all day to run and play without much need for meat. First-hand protein, your insides clean for vegetables and fruit. To be a super healthy athlete, get white sugar junk to boot. How to eat. White sugar stuff is much too sweet. Feed your body a natural treat to be a super athlete. Get down with this funky beat. Super moves on super feet. Super confidence to try. Super jumps to touch the sky. Carbohydrates from whole wheat to be a super athlete. How to eat to be a super athlete. How to eat to be a super athlete. Funky, funky beat to be a super athlete. Say it red, dead meat to be a super athlete. Now I heard you want that super speed. Natural food is all you need. Eating right will take you far around the world a superstar. Good nutrition helps you be all in life that you can be. Super smart and super strong. Super power all day long. How to eat. Not clogged up with too much meat. Remember not to overeat to be a super athlete.
How not.
Super attitudes accept defeat. Victory stays honey sweet. Super feeling about yourself as you strive towards super health. Best for you so complete to be a super athlete. How to eat to be a super athlete. Say it no red dead meat to be a super athlete. Not too sweet to eat to be a super athlete. How to eat to be a super athlete.
How not to eat the red dead meat. How not to eat too sweet.
Super friends through thick and thin work together well to win. Super team in harmony respects each individually. Super message for your ear. Natural food makes you aware. Quick reaction, satisfaction. Play to win, but please be fair. Get deep from the sun and calcium from vegetables and fruit. Right from the root, disease and cheese, cold bitter squeeze. Both get the super food. Don't eat right just to play for money. Junk makes you feel funny. Elder child, pretty wife, stay in shape throughout your life. Now you know just how to eat to feel so good the way you should. Now you know just how to eat to be a super athlete. How to eat to be a super athlete. Much too sweet, not right to eat to be a super athlete. Not uptight on red dead meat to be a super athlete. Funky, funky, funky beat to be a super athlete. How to eat, how to give your tummy a natural treat. How to get down with life's funky beat. How to feel us rhythm, groove, and sweet and be a super athlete. Cut down on milk and junk and meat, be a moderation athlete. Honey and fruit are just right and sweet to be a super athlete. Keep on learning how to eat to be a super athlete. Be a super athlete, a super athlete. With a super strong heart, oh yeah, and a super knowledge bump. Take this message to the street. Stretch your muscles, firm and neat. Exercise, be so wise. Teach the children how to eat to be a super athlete. To be a super athlete, a super athlete. Ho ho ho. You don't need drugs. You're not nuts. To be a super athlete, and now you know how to eat to be a super athlete, a super duper athlete, a super athlete. How to eat to be a super athlete. Fed no red meat to be a super athlete. In your head, get what I said to be a super athlete. Not too sweet to eat to be a super athlete. foundation of a nation who needs self-love foundation. Self-love enough to win. Self-doubt is a loser sin. Eat right and you will see how to play the game with quality. You won't need drugs to love or win. Just let self-pride begin. How to eat to be a super athlete. How to eat to be a super athlete. Come on, world. Come on, boy. Come on, girl. Hope to be global. Super athlete. Much made. Oh, I love her so much. And I create her blush is so great. A super athlete. Marathon mom's blush. Oh, yeah. I got a crush on her. Oh, and no rush on her. Oh, yeah. A super athlete. Oh, a super athlete. Larry, he can carry the beat. Oh, a super athlete. A super athlete. This is not the end, my friend. Your work on health should now begin. A super athlete. A super athlete. Larry, come on, carry that beat. A super athlete. Carry on down the street. A super athlete. How to eat. How to eat. Basic life foundation, the strength of education. Come set your date to graduate, enjoy the celebration. And don't sit up in your classroom and wish the bell would ring. If you do, we promise you, you won't learn much of anything. No more to run away from schoolroom in the sun, or may school board and wane. Come to fun, freedom, stay in school, more than cool, self-love maintain. Self-respect fulfilled, unselfish vocation, directly love thrilled, the strength of education. Self-love skilled, super strength foundation, correctly to rebuild the strength of education. Got trouble in your home? Leave it there at home. Come to school, obey each rule. Create a happy poem, a rhyme to help you learn, for sweet success to earn. Learn all you can, believe in you, to make your dreams come true. No more to run away from schoolroom in the sun, or may school board and wane. Come to fun, freedom, stay in school, and more than cool, self-love maintain. Self-respect fulfilled, unselfish vocation, directly love thrilled, the strength of education. And self-love skilled, super strength foundation, directly to rebuild the strength of education. Learn English, math, and history, science, art, and music free. A scholarship is more than hit to soon become a PhD. Interest in school may wane. Come back to school again. No more to run away from school rule in the sun, oh make school boredom wane. Come to fun freedom, stay in school, and more than cool, self-love maintain. Self-love skills, super strength, foundation, correctly to rebuild the strength of education. The teachers are your special friend. Please let them train your mind. Study hard till each class ends, and always be on time. Don't write on walls or run in halls. Don't play your chance to learn away. Check out this rap and start today to change that D into an A. Hey, hey, hey. No more to run away from school in the sun. Oh, may school boredom wane. Come to fun freedom, stay in school, and more than cool, self-love maintain. You can read. You can read if you need. Self-respect, fulfill unselfish vocation. Directly love thrills the strength of education. Self-respect, fulfill self-love skills, super strength foundation, correctly to rebuild the strength of education. When you can write, it's out of sight. You'll get a job, it won't be hard. When you can read, it feels a need to say a strong no to crack and speed. When you can count, your pride will mount to kiss the sun. Math can be fun. When you can count, no one can beat you. No one can cheat you. Knowledge is a treat for you. When you can create a rap like this, you'll know for sure you did not miss a basic life foundation, the strength of education. Come set your date to graduate. Enjoy the celebration. Good health will help you understand the strength of education. No more to run away from school room in the sun. Oh, may school boredom wane. Come to fun freedom, stay in school. More than cool, self-love maintain. And check respect you can detect in my high evaluation. For those who chose to cop out, chose to drop out from the strength of education. Every class and school day you may miss, consider this. If those in prison in the graveyard who thought you stay in school was just too hard. And for those who think you're smart enough to ask why I bring this up, want to save you from an early grave, want to save you from an early death, on an early path of love to pay, want to save you from more than one life, more than one life, not to early interrupt. Too late for those who miss the real field. Self-love education. Too late for those who end up in drug rehabilitation. Oh yeah, too late for those on parole or probation for crime participation. No lies to drive-by, miss the strength of education. And too late for those who rose to higher education, froze in a mire of lonely desire for only selfish concentration. While I propose unselfishly the key to family tree administration. Oh yeah, freely to see the dignity, the strength of education. No to drugs. Yes to love. No to drugs. Yes to love. No to drugs. Yes to love. You're the sun that shines above. Know the drug, you are not thugs, you are the future, strong and free. Know the drug, handshakes and hugs, great perfect harmony. Yes to love and self-love. Yes to love, learn self-love, give your life a chance. Know the drug, wear our drug, super energy to dance. Know the crime, you're on time, make your future shine. Yes to God, feel divine, natural high, don't cost a dime. Know the bass pipe and cocaine, kill the body and the brain. Know the pills and PCP, yes to eating naturally. Know the nicotine is alcohol, know the death, kick them all. Yes to study hard in school, yes to learn the golden rule. Yes to treat your brother cool, yes to treat your sister nice. Know the drugs, don't be a fool, this gift of life is paradise. Know the old white sugar Jones, illegal drug, leave it alone. Yes to health, love yourself, leave that junk food on the shelf. Give your friend shakes and hugs, learn the culture of your race. You are futures, you're not thugs. Keep a love smile on your face. Don't you never say I can. Believe in you and rap this chant. Know the drugs, yes to love. Know the drugs, yes to love. Know the drugs, yes to love. You're the sun, not the gun. You're the sun, shines above. Clap your hands. Map the plan.